Hey! What are you guys doing over here? You can't congregate over here. This is an active train station here. What's going on over here? Hey,
sleep over here.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to get up, pal. You're gonna have to look. Listen to me. You can't be. I'm Officer fucking Prosciutto, the #1 police officer. I'm one of New York's finest.
Guys, wake up. I guess we're having pork
Yeah,
for breakfast.
that's right. Get up.
Look at this guy.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Look.
Holy shit!
Oh wow! Look, it's Law and Order, SVU on his flesh over here. Hey,
wow!
What you let us sleep?
Michael,
right? Life been a little hard on us.
Michael, is that you, Michael?
Michael, you know this guy? Michael,
yeah, it's my fucking asshole father. Get him out of here. Let's fucking kick his ass, guys.
Yeah,
let's get him. Let's fucking get him.
Fucked up your life.
Yeah.
Hey, sir, no disrespect, you piece of shit.
Jose, wake up. Let's kick this asshole.
Bundles. Hey, let's fuck this guy up.
Yeah, bundles. Bundles, give me bundles. Hey, back up. Hey. I will swing this fucking baton on you guys.
Bundles.
We need bundles. You got bundles, Prosciutto? I don't got fucking none for you. I got this fucking baton. Don't get any closer. Don't get any fucking closer.
Hold on, let me see that baton. How does it work? Can I touch it?
I will swing this fucking thing like I'm Mickey Mantle going for the Triple Crown.
Tell your father to calm down. We're just having a good time.
Fucking calm down, you jerk off.
Just trying to get lit for New Year's. What's the problem?
Stop being a wet blanket, you jerk. Jose, talk to this guy, Papi.
Talk to this guy.
Papi, listen to me.
I'm talking to you in Spanish.
Come on, Papi.
It's bicultural.
Come on, Papi. Let's go.
You got the fucking UN now.
Hey, take it easy. Oh, whoa, these guys are attacking me. Hey, listen. I don't want to use lethal force because I love you guys. All right? You listen. All right, listen.
Leave us alone. We're just sleeping in the fucking.
Fuck. Oh, come on. Michael Anthony, stop attacking. Oh, my God. This guy fell on the goddamn tracks. Holy shit.
Oh, God.
Oh, fuck.
Ramon.
What episode is this?
140. It's 140.
Oh, shit. Do the drop. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Ramon. We're going to turn off the electricity on the tracks.
Now let's beat it. I'm out of here.
Oh, no.
Fuck. Do the drop. Let's go.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, episode 140.
Whoa.
Most dangerous podcast in the world. Back in the mecca of the audio art. We are back at Red Bull Studios. Okay, that we're 220 West T Street. Seeing if you guys still remember the address. Because I had to do the thing this morning. Red Bull, 220 West T Street.
I put in my Uber. It was like, yo, would you like to go here again? I was like, yes.
Yes, it's been a while. Oh, you got back with that Red Bull girl, huh? I felt like Offset. I was like, this bitch got to take me back.
Please take me back.
Take me back. Yo, he bought her mad shit for Christmas. Fair. He bought her purses. He bought her shoes. But you know what you can't buy her? The trust.
The trust.
It's God.
It's God. It's fair. It's God forever. Yo, but she kept that 1,000. That's how you know she's straight from the BX.
BX all day.
She was just like, yo, I just went out there with that nigga because I needed some dick. That's it. Like, don't get it twisted. Like, I'm not getting back with this motherfucker, but I just needed some dick and ride a jet ski. That's it.
I mean, you know.
Really good Spanish.
Yeah, shout to her.
She's just a regular, schmegular girl getting that schmegular. You can't just go get random dick after you're like
exactly
out there. So
you got to get the test driven dick.
She got the baby. So she's like, yo.
Imagine she went out to Puerto Rico and had like the whole fucking like what was that movie with Angela Bassett where she fucks?
How Cardi got a groove back.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
how Cardi got a groove back.
Any nigga she sleep with trying to try to sell the photo to TMZ or some shit.
You know what I'm saying? She go end up fucking around Bad Bunny and shit.
Sad, pathetic.
Sad.
Yo, as always, shout out to Red Bull.
You know what I'm saying?
Come through. Be sure. I hope y'all still drinking them Red Bulls. If I catch you out in the street with a monster, I'm gonna smack out your hand. Talk about the drink, not a chick.
Nah,
if you got the ugly monster at night, you know what I'm saying? You creeping, I'm not gonna blow.
I'm not gonna blow you. I'm gonna leave you alone. If I see you in the elevator making out with Shorty, that's obviously painful. That's your business.
Ooh, the Subboys. Ooh, wow. Whoa, messy.
That got nothing to do with me.
Wow. Yo, shout out to everyone in New York that got superpowers from the asteroid that landed yesterday. Do not listen to NYPD. They are lying to you. Yes. They're saying it's a Transformer fire, which is bullshit, which would sound lit if we were in the Transformer movie, because you look out your window and think Bumblebee's on fire, or fucking Optimus Prime is like got a bullet wound or some shit. No, it's just a regular Transformer fire.
Optimus Prime with a bodega, with a fucking durag on in front of the bodega, like,
niggas got me.
Yo, niggas got me.
Optimus Prime is a Trinitario, got a fucking big machete.
He's like, do you have Lucy's in this establishment?
Get out of here, Optimo! No, and then, Con Edison, for those of you who do not have the pleasure of living in the greatest city in the world, Con Edison, where we get our electricity for, it's short for Consolidated Edison. Yeah. No, it's Con Edison because them niggas is con. How you in charge of electricity and you got shit blowing up? You got one job, nigga.
That's it.
The electricity, either make it or store it. That's it.
That's it.
They don't ask you to make electric pies. No one asks you to sew an electric sweater, nigga.
Fam, as people from developing nations, we are familiar with blackouts. Mm-hmm. I'm sure we all three of us are. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Exactly. You got to collect the water in the rain drum. We all know the struggle. Mm-hmm. So we're used to that. But Con Edison, a blackout, a brownout every once in a while, that's cool. That's fine for a little bit. But damn, B, you can't stop shit from exploding and releasing chemicals into the air that may or may not make us grow like extra testicles or like eyeballs or some shit. Like,
and I mean, that shit that was not a regular explosion. That was like the start of a movie explosion. Fam. That was like the THX sound effects is now in effect. That's the kind of shit you like, oh shit, this IMAX?
Oh, what? Yo, fam.
And shout out to everyone in New York. Just nobody panicked. Nobody ran out. People were just like, yo, I guess shit's done. Niggas put on their Timbs. They're just waiting for the Grim Reaper in the living room. Like, fuck it.
Throw your Montclair, nigga.
Like, I'm like, fuck it. I got my 27 rays. I don't give a shit.
Yo, throw the no face on. Like, hey, nigga, I guess it's another ice age coming.
Put on temperatures rising. Like, yeah, I guess I'm dead ass meeting my Lord and Maker. You heard? Yo, Christ, what you got?
Yo, Jesus, what up, nigga?
What's up, nigga? Coming through.
Yo, we coming through, yo.
What's up? You got that hen, dog? Yo, if I get to heaven, there's a bodega cat, I'm tight. If I get to heaven, there's a bodega cat, anyone's wearing Tim's or a bodega, I'm tight. Because I know the two heavens. Because it is the fucking heaven Jane Eyre, her characters are in. Oh, there's no bodega.
There's no bodega over there. You got to go to after hours in hell.
Just they're like, oh, this is a new dances track.
Welcome to the party.
I enjoy this.
Dude, all the party favors.
Oh, shout out to all my my weebos out there, because that shit yesterday, that light looked like from Big O, Paradigm City. That terrible. Well, it wasn't a terrible. You got to watch it 3 times to understand it. And they had Dorothy the robot, and she was getting oil and shit. Yeah, it was a good look. He used to come out at 3:00 in the morning on Adult Swim, so you know it was like a serious Adult Swim.
Serious anime.
And they was just like, this for niggas, this is for serious potheads. Them niggas that got the iron. The niggas that been watching Adult Swim for 2 cycles.
Yo,
you watch the East Coast and the West Coast feed.
Shout out to all my Inuyasha niggas.
You not waking up tomorrow till maybe 2-3 p.m. You ain't got nothing to do. Yo. Wake up at 8. Oh shit, Black Ops 4 download.
Oh, we lit.
Oh, 18 gigs. I'm going back to bed early.
Yo, my shit's still updated. I copped per your advice. I copped Black Ops 4.
Right.
And it should have still updated.
There's mad updates. You gotta catch up.
It should have still updated.
And you know they're doing the fucking what do you call it? The Fortnite bullshit. Because apparently there's like 2 demographic of gamers. There's like people like us, like the older gamers who just want to get in there and kill niggas and shit. Niggas, yeah. And you got kids that just want to do the floss dance, and then like after they shoot you, pretend to eat a chicken wing while they're wearing a fucking Tron outfit with a unicorn headphone.
Doing the Millie Rock.
And I'm like, yo, Treyarch, like, I gave you $60, dog. Like, fam. I'm like, you should love me. They like, listen, you see little Timmy over there? He gave me $60. Plus, he did $60 for the battle pass. Plus, he spent $2 on a battle skin. Plus, he spent $10 on a. I don't know shit what you want, boy.
Little Timmy took a time out for me.
Okay, little Timmy he went financial fraud. He broke into his parents' purse. He memorized the number and then was just like, microtransaction. I just learned how to use a potty if we keeping it frank. Like, I don't know about all that.
It's not real money, Mom. It's VC.
I don't know my vowels. How would I know a CVV? How would I know a security code? Like how would I know to use an Amex?
Shit.
We have to start doing microtransactions in the podcast. So we can have one be like, yo, if you want to unlock Victor, that's an additional $5. Didn't unlock him. Didn't unlock him. And then you could get like Mero's gonna come in default in Spanish. So if you want him in English, you gotta unlock
si
him.
tú quieres unlockar mi inglés, por favor, download the DLC.
Papi. If you want the AKAs, that's another download. If you want like the sound effects, Boy, and then we're gonna have the video downloads because like if you just want to see us ugly, that's the normal fee. But if you want to see us pretty,
yeah,
pay extra for makeup and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, man, why are their beards washed? First 99 cents, we look beautiful.
No shit.
99 cents, we no more hats. We got fucking shaggy hairlines. Like yeah, baby.
I'm just shaking my dreads and shit. Like
Hasan's like cut. Jesus, your locks are getting in the hair, getting in the microphone again. I'm like, Lord of mercy. Flipping behind my head. I'm gonna tie him into the crown. Yo, if you got long dreads, you're not tying them into shapes and shit. You missing out, fam.
You missing out, dog.
Why you just got them long?
Come on, for no reason.
Come on, fam. Like, yo, you got to make a hoop.
Do something.
Make a come on. Like, put pressure on niggas.
You know what I mean?
All right?
You know the hair magazines where they be doing like all the
like helicopters and shit?
Yo, y'all niggas with locks?
Man.
Come on, step your game up.
Yo, here's the challenge. Yo, with your locks, recreate the fucking the Transformer explosion.
There you go.
You know, just make the base right there, little blue dot.
Jah will bless you.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Sit down on the floor of the train, like, gather around my picnic. Let me tell you.
Let me tell you a story.
Let me tell you a tale. Picture it.
Yo.
Also, the greatest part of that video of the shit blowing up is just everybody that took the video is in Queens and not like, hey, I just moved to Queens to the Amazon, but whoa, I've been in Queens my whole life. Everyone was like, whoa, what the fuck is that? Is that an arc fire?
What is that?
What is that?
What's going on over here?
A transformer's on fire. What a transformer? Get away from the door!
Action Bronson fed up, just lit that shit on fire.
Get away from the window. You're gonna go blind. I'm not gonna go blind. Come on, man. I seen worse at Roosevelt Field Mall.
Come on, guys. Yeah, you've been to Flushing Mall. You know the deal.
Shout out to Queens. Shout out to Queensboro.
You know what I mean? Queensboro.
All the Queens niggas gonna get special superpowers now?
Yeah, they are.
What they gonna get? They gonna get niggas gonna fly up and down Guy R. Brewer. Like,
the ability to defend their borough.
Wow.
They went up in the power rankings now.
Wow.
They
who they passed?
They leapfrog Long Island and Staten Island by a mile. Now.
Nah, Staten Island's having
a borough.
Wow.
They're not even a borough. Yo, I feel personally attacked being from Jamaica, Queens. But
shout out to Jamaica Queens. Yo, Jamaica Queens is the realest part of Queens. Just for y'all niggas that don't know, for all our listeners out there nationwide who are not familiar with.
I mean, you can't. Don't sleep on Far Rock.
Far Rock is wild.
Yeah, Far Rock.
Don't sleep on Far Rock.
Yeah, but this shit, they call it shit Far Rock because that shit is dumb far.
That shit is far, but that shit is like the government was like, yo, we gotta keep them niggas away. It's the same way in Co-op City, how Section 5 is away from everywhere else. They was like, all right, this is the control. Y'all niggas is the variable. Speaking of Queens, shout out to the legendary MC Stan, whose Instagram I fell upon yesterday, and your man is tight.
What?
Everything. He hates all new like young rappers and shit. He saw that video of a designer in the booth, and he was not having it. Let's just play a little sample of this.
Oh my god.
Folks, I don't give a fuck what generation you're from. I can't see my generation standing around a club going, brah, jeep, brah, jeep, brah, jeep.
The video continues like that for several minutes.
Oh my god.
So you get his point across. But no, he's not feeling, you young people.
You know what's the crazy shit about that whole thing? I seen a couple of people mention that, and I'm like, yo, are you stupid? Like, you used to, like, I don't know, like, look.
Actually, fuck what y'all talking about and fuck what you think. I was one of those on the fucking forefront of this motherfucking rap game trying to gain some
I can tell because you sound like you have no teeth.
We was doing only for the shit to come to this bullshit here. So you all can kiss my fucking ass with your opinions and your fucking fuck shit. So fucking take that shit and go take it to some motherfucking body else because I don't want to hear it. Fuck you.
Let's hear
Cool motherfucking bars, nigga.
Can we hear some MC Shan bars?
He has new music coming out. He has not new music. He has new music that never dropped.
Oh.
So here's a song he has coming out. This was supposed to have come out in 95.
Okay.
Remember Jane, the story I told in the past. This Jane disease.
Wow. Is this a living single theme song?
Wow. Wow. The disrespect. Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
First of all, the funny shit about that whole situation is like, mad people were like up in arms about that shit on Twitter. And I was just like, yo, fam, like, he's doing ad libs. Like, do you know how to record like music?
No, why? You know what? It gets to a point you can't explain. You don't explain you get to a point if you're a rapper, and shout out to Jay-Z who's navigated this, and not Jay-Z has never been the old hip hop hater rapper. He came close with that. We off that where he was like Timberlands, we off that in auto-tune. Yeah. But then Beyonce was like, calm yourself.
Chill.
But the problem is, you have a lot of these rappers. You remember when they was young and they was popping, and now they like, yo, now they hating. And they're like, no, I'm not hating. Like, I made this. But like, yo, fam, this video is not. No young person gonna see this video and be like, no, let me listen to this shit. Like, if you was in the barbershop, he was saying this shit. You know what I'm saying? You taking out your phone,
it doesn't matter.
things.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to be any type of age to be like, yo, this is not.
Also, the people who appreciate MC Shan's music and like fucking designer, the Venn diagrams
are miles apart.
Right, because the people who fuck with MC Shan back then still fuck with MC Shan now.
Yo, shout out to Vince Staples. Vince Staples said something very astute. Like he did some interview where he was talking about like, yo, Bow Wow was
If Vince
hard.
Staples was here and he heard you use astute, he'd be like, fucking clown ass nigga.
He'd be like, hey, this nigga be reading books and shit, cuz. On Crib, this nigga be reading. Yo, but nah, he said like, he was like, yo, fam, some shit just ain't for you.
Yeah.
Like some shit just ain't for you, my nigga. Like I fucked with Bow Wow when I was coming up because
we all fucked with Bow Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? And I will be at that B2K tour in my Gino Green
the
shirt.
Millennium Tour?
In my red monkey jeans.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo!
You crazy?
Untied do-rag.
I dare you to say so.
Yo, tell me. Yo, I'm going. Listen, I'm looking right now for a pair of jeans, size 38 waist, size 38 length. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's go.
I might have a compression sleeve
Shiny
on.
denim.
Am I anywhere near a basketball court?
No, not at all.
Yo, all my ladies, I need y'all to come out with. I need y'all to come out with your fat farm. The baby fat jackets
the
with
jersey
the fur
dresses.
on it.
Yep.
The ones you would wear if you was like the bad girl in school.
Yeah.
And you ended up going to the dean a lot. You ended up getting pregnant and thrown out. Come out with your apple bottoms.
That's right, man.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Your pink Tims.
The Darius Miles jersey dress.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Call all my chickens. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to cry when Omarion does. When Omarion does Icebox, nigga. I'm pushing everyone away and just have tears coming out my face. And then when he does touch, I'm going to reach to a little bag and pull out a fresh pair of Timbs, put them on, take them out the dust bag. So I could
look for Vashti
and let it go. Boom, boom, boom.
Was she in that video?
Oh.
Vashti was in the video?
No, I'm playing, no.
No, she wasn't in.
No,
she wasn't in the Marion video.
She'd be everywhere. I wouldn't be surprised.
That was probably Vashti.
I would not. Yo, listen, if I went to fucking Dubai and I saw a billboard with like camel rental on it and like Vashti was on it, like, yo,
it was Janelle Palenko.
No.
But she had moves too.
Yes.
She had moves. Yeah.
She was in the Broadway revival of the West Side Story. One of the Shark Girls, Consuelo.
Oh, shit.
She has, wow, look at her resume.
Okay.
She's the only thing that you guys would respect her. She was in Tony Touch's Dimolo. Okay?
Oh,
I know
shit,
you people.
yeah.
I know you people enjoy that. Oh, she was in Cat DeLuna's Wind Up.
Oh shit!
That was a joint. Was that even? I'm embarrassed how much I enjoyed that song when it was in the club. Like that was in my B2K days. Like,
get it. Woo! Woo!
Damn.
When that synth come in,
This shit sounds the way for Cardi Limon tastes, because that's all I was drinking at the time. Just nasty. Just wake up in the morning like, did I suck on a bee's dick? Why does my mouth taste like this?
That's that 99 apples music, nigga.
Nasty.
That's that 99 bananas flow.
Oh, man. 99 apples. Little Devil Springs. Yeah. A little Nuvo. You guys like to get high off a little nail polish remover with pink air?
How about that?
Yeah, how about that? And I'm bringing bottles of Nuvo. We're going to do a B2K appreciation. No, we're doing Wash Fest. We got to do the after party for the B2K shit. And we just bring like all them Dipset shits.
Armadale.
I said Armadale. He said Armadale. Somewhere Dame Dash was like, yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
Get it.
Yo, can you include the cookies in the package?
Gotta have the cookies. Giving out copies of America magazine. We going all the way in.
Yo. Oh my god.
Man, I'm gonna print copies of my zine I've been working on.
Niggas is doing zines. Shout out all y'all niggas doing zines.
Everyone that does a zine now, they work for like Pitchfork and shit.
Yeah, that's it.
They
like that's the resume. That like you bring it into Pitchfork. Like I did a zine.
I did a zine and my mother loved it.
You're hired.
Let's go. Head of music research.
Chief content creator.
Did you see not sure. It was a dude. He wrote an article and he said that LL Cool J
does not deserve to be in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. I was like, woo,
smoke in the city. I was like, Hishi?
What delicious.
Stevie?
Pink cookies.
Give me kush, love me good. Hot damn. Hollis to Hollywood. But is he good? Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Yo. I'm like, yo, you can't put LL in the fucking rock.
LL got joints. LL got getting pink cookies in the plastic bag, getting crushed by buildings. He got Mama said knock you out.
Mama said knock you out.
When you did 14 shots to the dome, we were like, all right, relax. You from Queens.
You were just on a sitcom.
Like, come on, all right? You're out all night or whatever.
Every time we say you from Queens, nigga Victor does the Arthur fist. But listen, you got Queensbridge. That's all that matters. You got Left Rack City.
The bridge.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, it's South Jamaica.
You got Jamaica.
Let's not act like Queens is pussy. Because what Queen's old nickname used to be?
Yes.
Cop Killer Queens.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Rest in peace, Edward Burns.
Yes.
With Fat Cat, Poppy Mason, all that shit. We want to get deep into it.
Right now,
all right.
Do not sleep on Homicide Hollis.
Okay. All right.
No.
Homicide Hollis was the original name of that. What was that movie with the girls and they were lip syncing across the country?
Step Up to the Streets.
I was like, yeah, that was
I just
it.
want to say that. Pitch Perfect?
Pitch Perfect, yeah. That was one of the teams' name, Homicide Hollis.
Homicide Hollis?
Nah, I never saw it.
I was like, what? I was like,
Yo! Paid for next shout out to Showtime, our new show coming on Showtime. Just gotta throw that out there.
February 21st, Thursday,
11 p.m. Show to be there.
11
But shout out to Netflix. Did anyone see Bird Box?
Stop!
Why is everybody talking?
Oh my god!
Yeah,
oh my god! So good!
Everything
so good. No spoilers.
Okay.
The thing about Bird Box, the movie itself is aight.
Okay.
Bird Box with memes, my nigga.
That's why.
That's what makes it so good.
Because that's
you gotta get the memes.
That's what all I've been seeing is
You
like.
gotta get the
I was like,
memes.
all right, I'm gonna watch this movie based solely on the memes. The meme that I'm seeing the most is Sandra Bullock in a rowboat with a blindfold on and two kids.
That's key.
What does that mean?
I'll see.
If
I
it's
can't
a spoiler,
tell you.
don't tell me.
Everything, because you know it's a 2-hour movie, so everything is a spoiler.
Holy
but once you
shit.
see it, it's one of those movies you're like, I'm not gonna waste 2 hours watching this shit.
Right.
She's gonna give a speech to the kids within the first 5 minutes
Like
of the movie.
blindside type speech, or like, are the kids white?
No matter what you're doing, you're gonna stop and be like, "Holy shit!" and sit down and watch the movie. Because I don't fuck with movies. She gave them kids that speech, and I was like, oh, "Okay." I closed my MacBook. Okay.
Oh, shit is serious.
And the other thing is, deep dark secret about me. I love Sandra Bullock.
Everyone loves Sandra. Right?
She's the best.
She's the best.
Yeah.
Remember she had that run and she was on everything.
Yeah, Miss Congeniality, all that shit. Yeah,
She deserved
doing
it. And did she have a thing with Benjamin Bratt?
Yeah, she
I
did.
don't know. I
Lucky
don't comment on famous people's dating lives because that's a bad look.
Benjamin Bratt was doing it. I think he had a thing with Halle Berry. And
He's
then,
out
but
here.
before Sandra Bullock, he was definitely on a Julia Roberts, and she used to run the world.
Yeah, and now she's coming back out because
Do you know she was
Fake
almost
flex.
killed by a drunken driver in 2008?
Julia Roberts.
Yeah. No, Sandra Bullock.
Sandra Bullock. God damn. And then she fuck around and with the motorcycle.
Oh no, there was
nigga.
there was minor damage, no injury. Sorry.
Oh, cool.
I jumped on
So
that.
we almost lost Sandra
Yeah,
Bullock.
yo, and then he cheated on her.
And then he cheated. Blind. Like you were waiting, fam. You batting 1,000 dating Sandra Bullock.
That's
and then-
miscongeniality,
Yeah,
But
bro.
think about it, like
And then the shorty that he fucked was like a Nazi sympathizer lady or whatever, who like was like a pinup girl, and she got
you talking about that James Jones guy?
Jesse James,
yeah,
whatever the fuck,
yeah.
the motorcycle nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she
fam.
would call him her vanilla gorilla.
Yeah,
I was like, that's problematic.
That's wild racist.
Wow.
But I guess it's, I mean, good for him.
Kink shaming? I don't know. Is that their kink? Like
Doesn't she
racism?
have-
Big piece on intersectionality on this.
Doesn't she have like a black kid now? She adopted.
she adopted.
Yeah, shout out to her. She's an ally. Blah blah blah. Adopt more black kids, I guess. I don't know. Like, is that? I don't have any black kids. I can't be telling people to adopt black kids. That's like me telling get a rescue dog. I don't got no dogs. I'm not calling black children rescue dogs. I'm just saying. I'm gonna stop now.
Yeah.
See if Red Bull removed the problematic light, and this niggas is wild. Also, they should have called. They should have called Bird Box 2-piece no biscuits.
I can't wait for the Bird Box porn parody.
Oh, I already made it. I was like, oh, look, she's a fit bird over there.
She's a
bloke.
fit bird, bloke.
Just hitting her from behind with a blindfold on. Yeah. And the dude from Moonlight's in it. So
what?
every movie is required to have one of the guys from Moonlight in it.
Oh,
I've
yeah,
learned
that's
this.
it.
You know,
The Academy voted on that.
it's listen for your consideration. They're still trying to make amends for fucking it over.
Yo. Oh, also shout out to Amazon for sending me screeners of shit that I already have on my TV. Like, why would you? Like, I don't understand that.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they do.
They sent you screeners, or you just call them screeners?
Like they send screeners for Marvelous Maisie and
I found because
no, I got it. Yeah,
and like
just because it's on your
Prime.
TV doesn't mean like the other geriatric members of the guild. Alexa, play Maddie.
Play Marvelous
Madison. Now playing Matthew Matheson.
Hey, we're gonna fucking cook food, bro.
Now Alexa, play. Oh my god.
I can't do this anymore. What happened to the old days when you get a CD?
Alexa, play. Oh, jeez. What's it? Book, color, colored individual, Italian guy, racism.
There you go. Yeah, play that.
Play movie. Meth addiction, gay son, small town. They're like, 5 matches.
I can't wait till like next February when they're like, Alexa, play that bullshit Desus and Mero was fucking talking, and they're just making eye contact with.
Oh yeah,
Emmy season. I'm geriatric, huh?
Oh yeah, our great fucking film about me trying to kick my quarter water addiction. I can't do it, man.
Let's go to your crib and slap the hog out your hand.
What are you doing?
Like, chill.
What are you doing?
Get better, man. You need help.
You know what you're not doing?
I'll take you to get help, brother.
You're not helping me.
No, I need you to take. I can't. I've got to stop enabling you, brother. I'll take you to get help.
Now you want to stop? Now you want to stop enabling me?
Listen, man.
Where were you in 08? Where were you when I was in the club?
I thought you had it under control,
I was
man.
back full 5-6 quarter waters a night to Cat the Luna.
God damn.
Wind it up.
Wind up.
What?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Submitted for your consideration to Bodega Boys 2019. Please contact ICM.
Victor just come in the green room and like, yo, y'all niggas are going on fouling in 2 minutes, so get it together.
No, I'm just saying, some of these Academy members are probably Emmy voters. You don't necessarily have to make a movie. I mean, but let's stop all this joking. And do you guys have your 10-page essay written based on the 3-minute trailer for Us?
Oh yes. Yes, it is. I would like to break down. See, a lot of people, they don't understand. A lot of people have been because of. I don't want to get too deep, but because of Poland Spring and Dasani, which by the way does not freeze, the U.S. government has defertilized the black man, so you're not able to understand and see the different nuanced layers. It is
Taste
the
these
onion
devils.
of the Us trailer.
them.
Now, I like to point out that he used the loonies. I got 5
That's
on
right.
it. I got 5 on it.
Teach these devils.
What has 5 letters in it?
Huh?
BLACK.
That's
black.
right, brother.
So he said, I got black on it.
That's
Jordan
right.
Peele said he put black on the whole filmmaking academy
That's right.
of Hollywood. This man's mind a genius.
That's right.
Boom.
Lin-Manuel, your move.
Yo, move, man. I mean, I don't want to jump the gun, but the 3 minutes I saw of that Us trailer were possibly the greatest 3 minutes I've seen in all the cinema.
Cinematic history.
Ever. They might as well just destroy all cameras afterwards.
That's right.
Never make another movie
And
again.
we see Friday like 10 times each,
Okay.
at least.
He said, I got 5 on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? You know what else got 5 on it? Huh? How many letters in Africa?
Talk to him.
Think about it.
Talk to him.
Think about it.
Talk to him.
And y'all like, no, Jesus, there's not 5 letters in Africa.
You like AFRICK.
Oh, I'm sorry.
oh.
Did he not say I? I got 5 on it.
Oh.
Repeat the A. Boom. How you feel?
Pow.
How you feel? You're
Stupid.
not thinking.
Teach these devils. Y'all gotta overstand.
I haven't had refined sugar in 3 months.
Come
Y'all
on,
not
man.
on my mind level.
Decalcify your pineal gland.
Yeah, like, listen, y'all on that weak wavelength shit, okay? Ever
Nah.
since Vegas, my mind's been open,
It's
man.
expanded,
A lot
dude.
of y'all don't know. Me and Mero, we pierced our mental hymen, so we see all that shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. I'm mentally ovulating right now.
That's right. My third eye's bleeding.
Okay.
I got a tampon right now.
It's called OB.
OB.
Okay. Original black man.
Original black man. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta make like a wild Hotep
Feminine hygiene products.
wild Hotep painting of like a woman, and she has like a vagina in her forehead, and it's just like leaking information, and the guy, his fingers are dicks, and he just puts it in there to stop it. And it's like the Black Union. Yeah. That's right. We got Hotep.
That's how we exchange information. Let me put my USB cord in your port.
Check it out. You gotta put it in.
Yeah.
USB was not properly ejected.
Ejected.
That's how they broke up the original black family.
Oh shit.
What
Is
else?
that shit, as a computer nigga, is that true?
What?
Like if I just yank my USB out, is it gonna really fuck up?
It depends, because if you got like a cheap USB stick, probably.
Yeah.
But I'm not in 2019.
Yeah.
Like maybe back in like 08, 09.
That's what I'm
shit.
saying.
I say that. So, but as soon as I say that, one of y'all are gonna put your thesis paper on a USB stick, yank it out because Jesus said it was okay, and you lost it.
And they'd be like,
So,
fuck yeah,
okay.
I God.
Also, USB, like Apple, Charlie didn't get rid of USB.
Yo,
we know that.
What is Apple's beef for USB?
Apple just wanted to control everything.
Fam.
I get it. Apple's just a drug dealer. They're like, yo, because Apple right now is like, oh, we could share our corners or.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
These can get it. Fuck out of here.
Yo,
I'm saying, get these niggas out of here.
They try to monopolize everything, B. And I noticed with the Nintendo shit too. Like none of the power cords fit into anything else.
Yeah, nobody's not trying to have standard shit.
Nah.
He was like, no, you got to get a micro USB Nintendo SB switch for left hand. I was like, what
the fuck is this?
I was like, y'all niggas is bugging. This is expensive. And then it's even at the point now I don't even want to like buy new shit because it's not worth. Like I was thinking about getting a PlayStation 4, and I was like, if I get a PlayStation 4, I got to connect it to the Wi-Fi, download the updates, connect it to my like fuck all that, man.
I will say though that the PlayStation updates are shorter.
Yeah.
And then when you put it in rest mode, it like automatically does it.
Well, the Xbox is supposed to do that.
But it never
does that. I don't know. Someone's gonna hit me up and be like, yeah, you got to
do this and that.
I don't got time for that.
I got time to go to. I don't got time to scroll over to the little gear shit.
You know how busy my life is between watching Bar Rescue, Law and Order. I've just found this show Desus and Mero on YouTube, which I'm getting caught up on.
It's amazing.
Wonderful.
Yo, I fall into a vortex of it every time.
This is wonderful. There's episodes that I was like, we didn't do this. Like I look at the thumbnail, I'm like, we did not cover this. And I'm looking at this shit. I'm like, are they doing deep fakes? Are they making new episodes of this shit?
Niggas are doing deep fakes of the show. I'm like, nigga, there's only 8,000 episodes of this shit.
I'm like, wait a minute, why does Mero have bosoms? This is like slowly unbuttoning them. Like, I'm like, this is disgusting. And turn it up. Yeah, nasty.
I saw some shit the other day. Like, I literally like watched the shit. Like, because on the Reddit, it's always like, yo, what's your favorite like thing or whatever, and it's always like the same four. It's like Sri Lanka's Got Talent and like a couple others. But then when you click on it and then you go under. And it's all the rest of them.
Yeah.
You'll click on one like,
I don't remember this shit for shit.
And then you turn on and I'm just like,
like, what is this?
I'm like, damn, these niggas is funny as fuck. I'm like, that's
man.
us.
That's true. The power of YouTube.
Power of YouTube. I like it because then after that, like you watch it long enough and then it starts to radicalize you and it'd be like, yo, you'll be like, these Mero explain why feminism is a myth. Babies don't need vaccination. White genocide is at our borders. I'm like, we definitely did not make that.
We didn't. What is going on here?
It's like create date February, like December 28th. I'm like, what's going on?
I get bored over the break.
This thing's doing deep fakes of my shit.
I'm like, I'm like, what's the?
Yo,
I'm like,
man.
I call fucking YouTube. They're like, it's been monetized. I was like, what's the affiliation code? They're like, it's good hair don't care. I was like, Victor. I'm like, hey, do you
4C INC?
I'm like, what's going on?
4C LLC.
I'm like, what's going on here? He's been swagging me out.
Oh my
God. He's been doing everything.
Yo, this nigga's, we don't break this nigga's doing I'm sitting at home like just like, first of all, last episode you niggas already know. Digestive tract issues, blah 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 blah. No need to rehash that.
Digestive tract
issues. This nigga's over here swimming, taking piano lessons and shit. I would not be surprised if he's making like deepfakes.
Bro, I got nothing going on. I was up till 4 a.m. mopping.
Wow.
Just like my life is empty.
I know I'm washed because for Christmas I got a new luggage set which I had been fiending for the longest because I was looking like a wild broke boy.
Wash.
Yeah, I know I'm washed.
Oh God, I've never needed 95 Mero to crash through that door more than I need.
Yo, serious. I got luggage and I was just like mad excited about the luggage. And then like I got like a couple of PlayStation games. I was hype over those. And then the piece de resistance. I opened up the Dyson Animal.
Wow.
Cordless
The V7 joint?
Yeah. Nigga, I vacuumed everything in the motherfucking house. Nigga, I was vacuuming Brownie. Nigga, I was like, yo, come here, bitch.
Wash boys.
Nigga, I was out there vacuuming leaves and shit. Like, nigga, you supposed to rake these.
Oh, man.
Yo, fam, I had the worst conversation the other day. You know when you get that, like, coincidental sub somebody throws you on? So I pick up the phone, somebody calls me, and they're just like, are you in the bathroom? And I was like, damn, no, my apartment's just that empty. I had to then go into the bathroom and like turn on the fans and be like, see, I'm not in there. Just, I get a lot of echo.
Oh, man.
I just try to keep it tidy. But
you gotta get a real doll. Yo, did you see the video of the niggas at DHL opening up this real doll and being like, yo?
I'd sue. I would sue.
I'm having one of those moments talking about how far we've come. Because remember when we first got hip to the real doll game? We were like, oh, that's way too expensive.
Now it's just like,
it's like, yo,
fair.
get forward. Let's play it full. Yo, but nah, man.
Start a WNBA team with real dolls, an expansion team.
You could come home with a Heather real doll. And Heather's gonna be like, this isn't funny anymore.
Oh shit! But yeah, remember we were talking about the 6 figures in taxes, guys? Yeah. Back to that.
Yo, that's a meme, nigga, because it's like this nigga's head is like 90 degrees to his body laughing. I'm like, yo, and you're just like.
That shit's not. Anyway, back to our sovereign citizen report.
This for CLLC now.
Okay. Do you know why? Did you know that if you are a sovereign citizen, again, you don't pay taxes, but a sovereign citizen was just arrested because if, as a sovereign citizen, the government owes you. So if you see a house and the residents are no longer in there, and you go into the house and you change the locks, that is your house.
That's your house?
That is your house. Okay? Desus with the sovereign citizen report. Just letting y'all know. All right?
It's a couple houses on sale in my neighborhood. I might just do
Everything's
that
on
shit.
sale if
I
you're a
might just
sovereign
do that
citizen.
shit.
Don't you understand? We don't got no laws. We do what we want. Now I do what I want. It's just that.
Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. You just squatting in somebody's crib, like doing the Lil Uzi Vert shoulder roll. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want.
No, it's totally cool. You print up your own documents. You make your own. Like, if you get pulled over by the cops and you're high or you're drunk, the cops cannot pull you over because as a sovereign citizen, number one, you do not recognize the cops because they are beholden to the U.S. government. They ain't beholden to me. I'm going by maritime law. Also, my license allows me free travel across a neighboring land, aka the United States, so I don't have to pull out. Also, you know I got the blicky on me, so I don't know if you're gonna pull me over.
This nigga got TSA for life.
Nigga, I've been radicalized. I'm just watching this shit like, what? You could do. There's a video, you guys gotta Google it. Sovereign citizen police shootout chase in LA. He ends up like crashing the car and shit. Cause the cops, like he busted at 2 cops and like drove a white guy. And here's the best part.
I mean,
he claimed he was a Moorish sovereign citizen.
wow.
Yeah, come on in. We'll get in while the getting's good, y'all.
Wow.
You know you were tight when Jill Stein ran away with all that recount money. Don't miss out on this time. You missed out on Bitcoin. This is the new scam. Get in.
Get in.
Get in. Join the Church of Sovereign Citizen. Me and Mero starting it up.
That's it, bro. The Will Ponce's on the phone right now.
We're gonna have to buy like a fucking compound in Montana and shit. Or the fucking white nationalists are gonna be like, whoa. Hey, I'm like, yo, fuck the government. They're like, well,
I guess
give us a second.
give us a second, talk.
I don't know. They brown as shit.
I like the idea of fuck the government.
I love that.
I
And they
don't
got all
like
these
the idea
guns.
that they're
What are they talking about? They say the brand is strong. I guess the white nationalist brand.
I don't know. I hope so.
What's that brown liquor? The Spanish one. What is that? Brugal?
Brugal? I don't know. Brugal? Brugal? It sounds like bugle.
Brugal. Is that
But
like
hey,
Rotel?
Hey, you know what though?
What?
They played the bugle when we marched in the Confederate flag.
That's
you know what
true.
I'm saying? So they might be on our side.
I was watching Green Book and that Marshall Ali.
Yeah, Marshmallow Ali. I like.
He was
him.
teamed with chicken, so just fry. Tell Betsy fry some chicken. Put the secret ingredient on it, pepper.
Yeah.
Make it too spicy for them.
That's why people's secret ingredient. It's like, yeah, put a little pepper in it.
The lady's putting the pepper on it. Is that meme where the fire pops up under the plate? Like, ah! Yes. So if you guys would like to join us in our white supremacist camp, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it.
Actually, living in Melissa camp sounds whack as fuck.
Hell yeah.
At first, you'd have like Wi-Fi shit. Once the government turns that shit off, you got no run. You got to like, cause think about it, like if you got like wild wives and shit, like at first it's like you smash this shit. The second week when there's no running water and shit, you're like, yo, chill, come on, man.
Chill.
You smell mad musky, mom.
Chill,
you smell mad earthy.
bro.
I can't.
You look in the hamper, you see the drawers, and it's just like the wild discharge dried up on the drawers. Like,
that shit's hot, but not really.
Like you sniff it real quick, like, nah, this ain't hit.
What's for dinner? Arugula. Oh, we got arugula again. All we got is arugula.
Okay.
Told y'all to plant some other crops, but I guess arugula for the savior of humankind.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, we got squirrel too today too.
Oh, wow. Praise be unto him.
Wow.
Accept your blessings, Pastor Mero. I'm going to be cleaning the guns.
Thank you. Got everybody in Nike Tech suits and shit. We all commit mass suicide at the end of the year.
No, but I lose like we lose our determination. The niggas is waiting to kill themselves. We're like, I'm not really feeling this
I'm
today.
not really, damn, like y'all niggas really want.
Pastor Mero, is today the day we join the Great Comet? Is today you explore us the sixth pyramid of hip hop?
Listen, man, I thought about it, but Chicago Fire and Chicago PD are doing a special crossover event.
But
so, like, I kind of want to be alive for that.
But you said we were gonna do suicide yesterday, but then you said we had to stop because the Knicks were playing the Bucks and the over was 10.
Yeah, it was. But also, the lottery's coming in a couple days. I want to see where the Knicks land.
We just made 40 vats of the special slurp juice.
I mean, y'all could do that.
No, you have to take the first sip. I gave up my family and remortgaged my house to move out here.
Well,
you have to lead us.
well,
You have to lead us, Great Platinum.
Look,
Great Platinum, you have to lead us.
Okay.
Get him!
Joshua, calm down.
His name is Joshua. He used to work with us with Vice. He was always good. He was a good PA.
Joshua, you know what? I'm going to hand this over to you, and you take care of it.
I come out, I'm like, yo, y'all niggas kill yourself yet? What's up? Yo, Mero.
Trying to harvest these niggas' organs, man. Come on, let's
Yo,
speed this
Mero.
shit up.
Gene got tickets for the Rangers tonight if you want to come through.
Oh yeah. So
Yo, we're having a meeting of the blah 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 Holy Council.
Yeah,
we're planning a trip to Zygon. We'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. Listen,
Joshua, you in charge?
You in charge, and Victoria will be here in like half an hour to harvest y'all organs. So just be cool when she comes in.
When are we gonna meet the Great Victor? We're like, you will meet the Great Victor when you arrive on the next sterile plane. If I have to tell you again,
come on,
I'm gonna take away the Jamba Juice. Now we are getting in this Uber XL and we're going to the Madison Square Garden to research the religion. We have a big airbrush mural of Victor. Periodically, we have him like run through a field in the back, and they're like, "I saw him. Oh, you saw the Victor. Oh, you saw him. Come here. Oh, let me lay my hand on your bosom." We are the worst because if we do any of these scams, we're in trouble.
We're in big trouble, my nigga, for real.
Meanwhile, Agent Johnson is like, "Stupid, you're not even gonna get the chance."
Yo, shut the Agent Johnson, bro.
Agent Johnson, like,
still putting in work.
Agent Johnson got the big binder and shit. Like, yo,
bruh,
these niggas. Agent Johnson been busy this year.
Fam, that nigga's been at Staples buying all the binders.
Mm-hmm. So let's see. Let's recap our year. What we did. Had a show on the network.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Killed it.
Yeah.
Tour. Sold out tour.
That's
5
right.
boroughs.
Book.
You know what I'm saying? Book.
You know what I'm saying?
Tour again.
Tour.
MSG.
MSG.
New show.
Big
Showtime.
Tings, yo.
Big Tings.
You know what I'm saying?
Bought an ice cream truck.
Unofficial boxing commentators. Got
There
the
we
ice cream
go.
truck on deck.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Neo Yokio.
Just the announcement got over 1 million views.
Yeah, shit's good.
You know what I'm saying?
We're having a good year. It was
So,
it was a contract year though.
But listen,
It was a contract year, and Showtime's going to find out that we are going to pull the AJ Burnett. Showtime was like, what the fuck are they talking about?
we just bringing niggas on staff like how J.R. Smith got Chris Smith on the Knicks for like 3 months.
I was like, nah. Let my cousin be a writer, yo.
Yeah,
That
he's
nigga
good.
funny.
That nigga mad
That
funny.
nigga funny. He only makes jokes that are funny in rural Jamaica, but I mean, I'm like, oh look, what's up, ma? She's like, I am a rural goat. I was like, my nigga, we killing that.
You got that shit. Yo, bringing P.O. to be head writer and shit. Nigga Mike is like, yo, what's going on, guys? Have I been replaced? He's like, yeah, my nigga, get out of here. This is my office now. Get the fuck out of here. Where the hookah?
Everyone's like, why? They're like, every joke is about hookah and rainwater collecting. Like, what is the demo for this shit? We have a lot of jokes about like unpaved roads.
And stray dogs and shit. Like,
Showtime's like, where is all the money we gave you for the opening? It's just literally you getting rolled out in shipping barrels. I was like, listen, you know,
man, like we
our show is just going to be us holding pieces of clothing up to the camera, and our family call it like, see, no, see, oh no, Mero and Desus family want the same item at the same time, like that. It's like cash cab. You gotta do physical challenges for the white jeans.
For the white jeans.
Who wants his Paco suit? Theodore, go!
Yo!
The flag's in the nose! Go on the nose! Go on the nose! Sticking through a big nose like double dip.
Papi, go on high. It's right there.
Go low.
It's right there. It's right there. Papi.
Go low, right there, right there.
Papi, you have to hold the egg with the spoon.
Right there. Livingston is right there, Livingston!
Yo, they can never be West Indian families on Double Dare, B. Them niggas would be cussing each other out. That would not be a family show at all.
Beat the shit out of you while Mike Thomas is talking. Oh, you didn't make... please don't hit him.
Oh, wow.
Smack, take your shoe off.
They got to take the camera over him real quick. Just pan to the audience. You just hear mad smacks in the background. Yo.
We should do Double Dare, but we're like, wow.
The physical challenges, you got to slaughter a goat.
No, I was going to say Double Dare, but just like have like drug people like recovery and just have like the drugs and they have to get through. If we were on our old channel, that shit would slap. The Problem Act license.
Yeah, fuck it. We out here. But back secured?
Listen, back secured. We back at Red Bull, baby. Most everyone was like, yo, what's the beef between y'all and Red Bull? Grow up. Just because you moved, it's a studio. It's not a gang.
You never moved out your apartment,
okay?
Nigga? Like, come on.
Niggas acting like we drove by and busted shots at Red Bull like, yo, fuck y'all. Milk Studios, we died.
Like, nah.
Niggas driving by drinking mad milk and shit. Niggas mad lactose intolerant at the end of the block. Like, Victor, why would you sign this with all lactose intolerant?
Oh, damn, I thought this was oat milk.
Nigga in the back eating a mad mac and cheese from Christmas that clearly expired.
Fam.
Yo, my sister made a 6-cheese mac and cheese.
Wow.
Relax.
Salute.
As Joe Button says.
Relax. Relax.
Like anything over 4 cheeses, you might rip a hole in the universe. Like after that, that's gotta be like getting a hot bag. If you can barely handle lactose, how you got yourself a dairy hot bag?
Fam.
Yo, also she had to tell you 6 cheeses. There's no way a palate can distinguish six distinct cheeses.
They were,
or can they?
No, they weren't like, it wasn't like from the pre-shredded bag. They were like from a nice white supermarket that had.
I don't doubt that, but like, would I be like, this is Gouda?
Well, there's softer cheeses. You can taste them, and like certain cheeses stand out a little more bitter, a little melty.
Don't put too much mozzarella in there because then it makes it all sticky and weird.
I gotta put respect.
When I make, I'm gonna keep it funky. I make a mean.
Mero keeps it funky.
I make a mean mac and cheese. I use Munster, provolone, Velveeta because you know what I'm saying. You gotta keep it hood. Kraft singles. Swiss.
You went from hood to jail.
Yeah. This nigga making this on his. This nigga making this on his bunk bed and shit. He moving around the toilet paper like See, the trick is, if you move around the toilet paper, you get a nice crust on each side right there. I like to fart on it, and the farts, the gas flambation it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm lighting this shit with 2 batteries and a wire.
It's my co-defendant's birthday. He don't know I'm making this for him.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, keep that nigga on the handball court for 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Now, a lot of people, they don't like a hard crust, and the secret is you want to dip this in the toilet water.
You know what I'm saying?
Really cool the cheese.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? And then you come in and you're like, yo.
Nigga crumbling mad fucking Frito-Lay on top. Like, yeah.
I'm like, yo, happy birthday, my G. You be like, oh, shit.
See? Some shit a nigga do that some shit like that, you gotta suck his dick. And that's why you don't make gifts for niggas in jail. Don't threaten me with a good time. They come through with a plate of lasagna. I'm like, damn. Did this nigga boof noodles?
Egg noodles.
You know how gingerly you have to walk to not break them?
Like,
them shits wasn't pre-boiled.
Like, yo, why is this nigga like doing Heelys down the hall?
Nigga do a burpee, you just hear mad shit crack. Like, he's like, my glutens!
Shit! It's my diverticulitis again. Like, nah, nigga, you got egg noodles. You boof egg noodles.
Boof and egg noodles. That's also our new pop-up restaurant.
Yeah,
25-minute wait. Maboof. We're like, would you like an egg? People are like, yes. So like, bend over.
I would not be surprised if that happens in like the next 10 to 15 years.
No, we have
when
next
niggas
year.
eat doo-doo.
What? Wait. All right, Mero Damas, like, there's predictions, and then there's you just changing the fucking topic. Do you want to tell us about something? Is that why you was in the fucking hospital with your stomach hurt, you nasty nigga? You out of Jersey eating doodoo? This nigga on Route 4 eating shit, y'all. Eating doodoo. This nigga eating doodoo and nodding off on IG. This nigga nodding off after a big bowl of turds. This nigga slandered Arby's, but he's out here eating the dookie.
Yo, fam. Shout out to... Yo, Yo, shout out to everybody that called me slipping on the IG.
Yo, let me hit me up like it's an Amber Alert. I'm like, niggas like 1 a.m. I don't give a fuck if he dies, he dies.
Yo, it's 1 a.m. and I'm like, yo, my logic is like, yo, fam, this is the most ass backwards logic ever. I was like, yo, fam, if I smoke this blunt and I hop on live and I play music, that shit's gonna energize me and it's gonna keep me up and I'm gonna keep writing, I'm gonna keep banging out these pages. The exact opposite happens every time. Niggas start asking me questions. Yo, what's the show coming out? Yo, what's da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yo, play this, play that. And I'm playing music, and then all of a sudden I'm just like, I just close my eyes for 1 second and I'm just like, and then I pop up and I just like start acting like everything was mad normal. And niggas just like, yo, fam, I'm like, you on lean? I'm like, no, nigga, I'm 35 years old and I don't drink
Think
lean.
about all the times you climbed Francesca.
Yeah, Victor passed me another Diet Coke.
Yo, fam. I'm out here, yo, this shit is, I'm like, yo, I did it before Dex, nigga. Trendsetters, innovators.
Right? Who's the first nigga nodding out? Me and Mero gonna be on IG in 20 years like MC Shan, like, y'all niggas, y'all, this is hip hop. Y'all niggas nodding out the holograms? Back in my day, we ain't never there. Catch me in the club nodding out to a hologram, my nigga.
Fam, I'm over here nodding out to French Montana and shit. Nigga, fuck around with me if you nervous, nigga. I'm like, fuck around with me if you sleepy, nigga. I'm like,
oh, man. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Yo.
So it's a new year.
Yes.
Because this drops the day after.
Yes.
January. You got any New Year's resolutions?
My New Year resolution is to go get a physical every year because I did not even know that I had diverticulosis and I am washed and I do not want to perish at 40 because I just started getting money.
That's a chronic condition? That's something you always had? Or it was just chilling or something you caught?
It's a thing that happens. Like the doctor explained it in a way of like, yo, this shit just happens like to some people. It's just like a condition.
What causes
it? It's not what causes like there's mad differing opinions on what causes flare-ups. Some people are like, yo, it's seeds, it's whatever, but it's essentially a lack of fiber in your diet. So now I'm like officially washed, nigga, because like I'm drinking Benefiber and shit like that. Like
You have a NutriBullet?
I probably do, yeah.
Yeah, get some kale and mix that shit with some fruit, man.
And that's the funny shit, because I told the doctor at the office, I was like, nigga, yo, we order lunch from Stadium, and everything on there is like straight Yakuza.
Well, that little bit of kale, that's not, you need kale, nigga. You need like roughage. Okay? You hear that word? Roughage.
Roughage.
Okay? You need ground provisions. You need some yams.
Some flaxseed
okay?
and shit.
You talk about flaxseed and shit. Nigga, you need to just go eat some dandelions and shit. Get back on your Dominican shit.
I'm just eating shredded wheat with
just
no
go
sugar.
back. Just go back to the Bronx and just eat some grass from the park.
That's it.
Just catch me on Sunday. That's me Saturday morning. I'll be across the street from Booker. It's like I was like, me a goat, man. Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Hey, gay
what are you, Billy Goat's gruff? Get the fuck out of here.
You fucking Canada Goose.
Hey,
go back up north,
Hansel and Gretel, get your guy over here. He's making buttermilk over here.
Yo, fam, niggas got me on the wild antibiotics. I was like, yo, is this a pill or a suppository? Because this shit is enormous, nigga. I just swallowed a
What was it? Was it a suppository or a pill?
It was a pill. Oh. Thank God.
Boo.
Niggas give you
a chance to give a suppository. You give the suppository.
Niggas gonna give you a big bath bomb and shit. Like, I'm just soaking the shit in. Like, shit. Damn, nigga had the fucking hepatitis.
Yo, man, I can't even. I still can't.
What you need to do? You need to ask them to like cut you open though. So like in the summer when you take your shirt off, you got that wild zipper scar, like you got shot.
I'll be like,
a lot of niggas be like, yo,
shotty 98.
Niggas try to heat me twin.
Niggas try to heat me twin.
Nigga, I was at a Big Pun autograph signing.
You know what I'm saying? I was packing the back of the act.
I was at Dr. J. 3:30. I had just gotten off the 41
you know
bus.
I mean?
I used the back door.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I just put an initial chain for my girlfriend on layaway. Her name was Tiana, so it was Minnie Mouse leaning on a T. I remember like
she was fire, you know what I mean? At the time, I was banging with the blood niggas on T-Boat, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas from 219, they wasn't feeling that because they was crippin', so they see me, they call me Slippy, you know what I mean? And then fucking D-Lane, he pulled out the shotty, you know what I mean? Sawed off, let me hold one, you know what I'm saying? I was holding my guts in my hands, and niggas put me back together, Jacoby niggas, I'm a fucking warrior.
I remember that. I seen my man, right? He had the hot one in his stomach,
you know
so
what I mean?
I had to drag him behind the Coco
Right.
Helado
You know what I mean?
court. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
So then I took him inside. Planet Earth, and I was behind the Coogee sweaters.
Yeah. He kept
firing back and shit.
Shout out to my brother right here. You know what I'm saying? He kept my guts on ice in the cocoa. A lot of cards.
So then nigga shot at me.
Kobe.
Nigga hit me in the groin, right? But I had the parasucos with the metal buckle.
Yeah.
So they just kind of sparked off.
Shit was ricochet. Pow, nigga.
I was like, yo.
Shit ricochet hit him.
Hit him in the face.
You know what I mean?
So then I dragged him to the bus and I pulled out a blue Metro card. That's how long ago it was. Niggas like, this is riveting.
This is riveting.
Nigga,
I remember when I got the blue Metro card in junior high and I was like, in the year 2000.
The first time they told me about, the first time they mentioned Metro cards, I was like, Babylon Ting.
Pure Babylon Ting.
I was like, you're replacing paper transfers? So you can steal our DNA? They was like, nigga, we don't have that technology yet, fam. Like, we still faxing records when you get arrested and shit.
Do you watch Law and Order, nigga? Like, the computer screens are still black and green.
I remember people were like, no, New York is never going to embrace Metro cards. People were like, I will die before you get rid of the receipts. And MTA was like, you thought?
You thought, motherfucker?
Because MTA give you a receipt now, you'd be like, what the fuck? You turn to Jerry Seinfeld, you're like, what the fuck is this?
What's up with the receipt?
So now I gotta take care of this piece of paper all the way to Queens? And then I get to Queens, I gotta put it in a bag?
What if it's raining? What if it's raining? It's wet.
And you get to something, they're like, where's your receipt? I'm like, nigga, I got no receipt. They're like, you can't get. I'm like, the door is open right there. I'm gonna walk right through.
I'm walking on the bus.
I'm walking right through.
Sorry.
It's the weekend.
Remember when those shits was on like a fucking, like a wrist, like the big ass roll, like the cashier register roll?
You just take the whole thing.
Rip the shit.
Being young in New York, there were several stupid crimes we didn't get. Remember stealing the mirror from the back of the bus?
Yep.
Cracking open the rear window so your little friends could come through. Throwing pennies in the face of bus drivers and then stealing the bus.
Every time the bus maker turn the window flap open.
Scaring the shit out of everybody. Oh, I remember it was the bus. I think it was the 31 or the 41 or the 42 over by, shout out to Truman High School. Every time we would pull up, we all get on it. And then the bus driver would be like, this bus is going out of service until I get the mirror back. Because niggas would take the mirror off of the back. And we just sit there. Niggas be like, yo, drive the fucking bus. Be like, yo, fuck you. This bus ain't going nowhere. And then all of a sudden, you just see niggas like passing the mirror back to the front. Like slowly. Back to the driver. He's like, thank you. And you just hear it start like.
From them tires and shit.
All the roaches come out the back. Like, oh, we driving again?
Oh, we good? I bet. Let's get it.
Showtime.
There were roaches on your bus?
Hell yeah, nigga.
The back of the bus. The main seat in the back of New York City public buses is the most likely to have roaches because it's the warmest seat because of the engine.
Yeah. And if you sit on that shit, your ass is sweating no matter what time of the year it is.
So if you go and sit
I
there.
used to love that seat.
Yes, everyone knows. Those are roach seats.
What?
Yeah.
Roach seats. Especially the kind of hair you got. Woo, boy. I remember this guy.
Yo, for real, the's not much to surprise me. Born and raised, as we all are, from New York.
New York.
I never heard of that shit.
Yes.
Niggas kill Biggie. ISIS kill Biggie.
I'm literally about to be on something. We've been taking a lot of shots at Queens. I was like, I think the only roach buses I ever heard have been in the Bronx.
Whoa.
Our buses
Spicy.
don't have roaches.
Spicy.
Whoa.
Victor.
Bronx has never heard of
Wow. Wow.
The funny shit ever is like, yo, I used to take the 9 bus.
Wow. Rep your shit. Rep your queens,
rep
man.
Rep your shit. Fuck
Rep
that.
your queens.
You know what I'm saying? Yo,
Rep your shit, dog.
You know what I'm saying?
Go.
Where's the LO when you need him? Shirtless in the fucking 3 stripes Adidas joints and some shell tops.
Talk to him.
Does the beat, if your girl really love hip hop, you gotta like come to her job and propose to her with this shit. Yo, I met your ass a while ago.
Yo,
you was walking fast. I thought you was a hoe, but you sucked my dick and did it quick. And now I bought you a ring. Let me show you a trick. And everyone's like, sir, this is Staples. Like you can't just.
Please, you can't. Sir, please.
I'll be at your girl's house on Friday. We play cards together. Why you making it hot, Clarence?
Come on, man.
It's like, nah, chill. I got 4 verses.
Come on.
Can
I do another one?
There's a dance interlude. Like,
yeah, I got them in the car. They waiting to come out. They
come
waiting
on,
for
why
my
you?
signal.
Yo, don't come on, Stan. Don't do me like this. I did a lot of work right here.
I mean, all right, fuck it. Who cares? There's nothing in here anyway.
All right.
Yeah, Desus has the boom bap on deck.
Yeah.
I respect it though.
I mean, listen, I'm dropping it.
Shout to Queens though. Listen, you know what? Big
Is
up
it shout to Queens?
Shout to Queens.
Don't give me the sympathy like boost. Okay.
No.
Is it shout to Queens?
Oh shit!
Is it?
Oh.
Oh. This is like when like old white guys talk about World War I.
Yeah.
I was in D-Day.
I was
yeah?
there.
Yeah, I was at Queensbridge.
Yeah. I was there when the Bridges Over came out. Yeah.
I was in the Juice Crew. Yeah.
We were ready. We were ready for war.
They was like, oh, you was in Juice WRLD? I was in Juice WRLD. I was in Juice Crew. Okay.
I was the emo rapping stupid. I had crack in my butt.
Okay, I was popping and locking. Emo rapping. Oh.
That Juice WRLD nigga is straight emo rap.
Yes, he is.
I was like, wow.
His shit is like Edison. Now I'm good. I'm gonna get my MC Shat on. Think you ain't been through shit.
Like
you're too young to be like, you ain't really lost shit like that.
I see your shadows in my. What are you, Owl City, nigga? Like, what the fuck is this?
Get your modest ass out of here.
Damn, this nigga Victor was hurt by that Owl City comment.
I feel personally attacked.
Just imagine 10,000 fireflies hugging you at the same time.
No, Owl City was late stage emo. We were off that by
You're
then.
more dashboard confessional guy?
Oh, paved the way. Paved the way.
Oh my god. This just sounds like a Sonic the Hedgehog emo song. Like, I love it.
It sounds like the loading board when you're like learning the directions and shit. They're like, press this to roll forward. Oh, man.
Hey, shout out to all those groups sounding like groups, but only being one person. I thought Dashboard Confessional was like 20 niggas.
That was one person?
20 niggas.
I don't know.
On an acoustic guitar?
No.
How did 20 niggas play one guitar?
I'm like, yo, at least one of y'all niggas got a ukulele or some shit, like something. Like, man, Owl City? Like, I'm expecting a city of
owls? This bad owls playing. Whoop,
boys,
Why do your owls all sound like Michael Big Trap?
in the forest looking for Mars. I'm a predator. I'm just a wise mouse. How many licks to the end of that Tootsie Pop?
I got a Glock. You got a Tig. That's how you a rookie, and I'm a vet. Oh my god.
Yeah, Michael McTrack, come back.
Yo, we need you. We need
come back,
that
Michael
21
McTrack.
Savage. Yeah.
Oh, man.
21.
21.
Oh, man.
Have you heard the new 21 Savage album?
I have heard it. It's good. People are saying it's lyrical. I was like, okay, let's relax. Did you see that 21 Savage and Migos have beef with Lazy Bone?
With Lazy Bone?
Lazy Bone from Bone Thugs and Harmony. He released a track.
So Lazy Bone is like the light-skinned dude that looks kind of like Puerto Rican-ish, or is
That's
it?
crazy.
That's all of
That's
them.
Crazy Bone.
That's Crazy Bone.
And he's actually like
Crazy Bone.
kind of like off the rails.
Yeah. Wait, was it
Yeah, he
Lazy
did.
Bone or was it Lazy Bone? Yeah, Lazy Bone dropped a Migos diss track and 221 Savage heard it. It was like, that shit whack.
Oh God.
He literally said that shit whack. No cap. I was like, oh God. Like when niggas don't even respond to your shit.
Yo.
To be fair, she was whack.
She was
She was whack. You know what it was? It was a beat that would have like banged in like 04, 05. And it's like they were doing a lyrical thing. But listen, times have changed. You know what I'm saying? Are you still eating the same food you was eating in 04? I am. But, you know, like the people's choices change.
I was going to say no, but then I was like, I ate 4 funny bones last night, so I'm going to retract my
I stopped
statement.
by the pizza stop by my mother's house the other day, and the guy was the Albanian guy. Shout out to Zaruk. He was like, this guy, he's been coming to my store at least 30 years. I was like, whoa, could you relax? I was like, you make me feel old as shit. Also, if I've been ingesting this shit for 30 years, I should be dead. I was like, now give me 2 of those pepperoni slices and make them like mad greasy so I have to blot them on my way out.
Yeah.
I'm in a real
So you
New
gotta
Yorker.
hold them like this.
I just squeeze the oil into my mouth like, Just burning my tongue. I'll just switch it around like, y'all missing out. That's where all the flavor is.
That's what yo, my cousin legitimately told me that shit, and I was like, you mad motherfucker. Like, yo, that is just animal fat that is dripping off the
It's
pizza.
the grease from the cheese, but that wasn't the best part of one of the greatest movies of the year, Green Card. He just buys a whole pizza, folds it in half, and just eats it. And I was like,
I respect that.
how can this guy be racist if he enjoys food, huh? Huh? Okay. He like pizza. He doesn't like black people. Doesn't make sense to me.
Doesn't make sense to me.
I'm not a mathematician, but
Hey.
I mean, 2 and 2 equals 4. You know
I
what
see
mean?
plenty of colored folks eating pizza in the streets.
Okay. So let me ask you something. If he's racist, how come his pizza had mushrooms on it?
Riddle me that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Can't.
You know where mushrooms come from, right? Africa.
Everything comes from Africa.
That's where they come from. So how could he be racist?
Do you understand, my brother?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
All right.
Now I have to go. I have to go listen to some Erykah Badu while I sage and wash my body with black soap.
That's right.
Okay. I'll catch you an Afropunk.
Hey, I'm gonna call Tyrone too.
Hey. Can't use my phone.
Hey.
Our new show, Hotep Cops.
Hotep Cops. Hotep Italian Cops. Oh my god.
Whoa, my guy.
Whoa.
The Shea Butter's counterfeit.
Oh, holy, whoa.
Whoa, you got my third eye hurting.
Oh my god.
Oh, my
this
God.
fucking guy. He doesn't understand.
Whoa, listen. Isn't how hard his pineal gland is?
Oh my god.
Calcified.
It's calcified to the max.
Oh my fucking
What are we
God.
gonna do? You got the kit in the car?
I got it in the car.
Let's
go.
get in the car. Let's decalcify this guy. Listen to me. The black man is God, all right? Respect the original Asiatic black man.
Respect them. Teach these devils.
All right?
Speaking of devils, want to
All
get some to eat?
Yeah, let's go.
All right,
Yeah,
cool.
let's go get some double.
We gotta
balls.
help this community. Look at these people. They're voting Democrat. The black women getting a period. It's just unnatural. They're eating iceberg lettuce.
Yeah, nah.
That's why I took this job, all right? That's why I took this job.
to help the community.
Help the community. I'm swearing on the cover. I'm swearing on the Hotep Bible and shit. Like, yeah.
It's like 48 laws of power and shit. Niggas swearing on 48 laws of power.
Hotep Italian Cops. Hey.
Hey.
Whoa, is that my Nana sauce? Better not be no pork in it. Let me just see the credits.
Yeah. She's like, but Giulio, you used to love my pork meat.
Whoa, that's swine. No swine on my fork. No pork on my fork. Come on, Nana. You know what it is.
Come on.
Here, here's another copy of Poor Rights for Teachers. Get woke.
Oh, okay, thank you. I'm going to put this onto the side with my ex-clan that
Thank
you gave
you.
me last week.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You know, we were free in Africa. Do you know that?
I don't know. I came from Italy in 1940.
Well, you know what? Sicilians were the niggas of Europe. So technically, Europe was our Africa.
That's okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, could you pass the more collard greens?
What's your name again?
My name is Malcolm Clarence III.
Okay,
This is my son, Jamel.
thank you. My breast is exposed from my bathrobe. I'm sorry.
What is this, ragu? We gotta show a whole backstory about how they got radicalized or some shit. Niggas was like defusing a bomb in Harlem. All right.
they bond, the black Israelites and the Italian cops bond over their hate of Jewish people.
Whoa.
They're like, you hate Jews too?
Oh, I hate all of them.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Let's hang out. You want to, hey, let's grab a beer.
Friends forever.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's drive really fast to
They
Williamsburg.
do the stepbrother shit. They're like, did we just become best friends? Fuck yeah.
Want to practice karate?
Oh, man. So sad. So sad.
Black Israelites hate Jews?
Six-Eye World. Huh?
Black Israelites hate Jews?
Hell yeah.
Zionists
but
and
they're
things like
Israelites.
that. Well, there's different levels. Come on,
Oh, yeah,
man.
yeah.
There's different levels. You got to pull back the onions, dog.
Yeah. There's like Heather Jew. There's like super Orthodox Jew. There's like, you know,
It's like dogs. It's like, you know, like you got like dogs. You got like, yo, you ask some people, they're like, what kind of dog is it? Like, I don't know, it's a mutt. And you got like, it's a bitch on freeze. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know your background, you know what I'm saying?
That's right.
We ain't have bitch on freezes in Africa, though.
That's right.
Point that out.
We had the hosts on freeze.
Okay?
The goats on freeze.
Yeah.
Yo.
Damn, we gotta make more jokes.
We got popcorn.
What's the deal with airplane food? Sometimes you don't want to get like a crab salad at 9 a.m. I mean, who wants to eat that? Mero, take it from here. Like just having a full down breakdown.
Like, nah, but for real though, like,
Wait, no, that's cut you off. Do any of y'all drink coffee on airplanes?
coffee on airplanes?
Yeah,
Never.
a study came out that said we shouldn't. They said it's the worst because the water, the containers they keep the water in, they don't have to check. And so they clean them like 4 times a year.
Wow.
Because they figure that they're gonna microwave the coffee, but the microwave levels they do to make instant coffee isn't necessarily enough to kill all bacteria. And they don't know where the water is sourced at. So just because you get coffee on a flight in New York doesn't mean that water came from New York that has the irrigation systems.
You
to
just
filter
see
it.
Shorty making the brownies and it's the blue water from the toilet. Like, yo, what are you doing?
It's like, nah, chill. It's lit.
Yeah, nah, it's
chill.
2,000 flushes. It'll flush you out. It'll flush
It's
you
Alizé. It's Alizé.
No, you good.
It's hypnotic. It's hypnotic.
I never trusted airline food since I read a box of brownies, and it has completely different directions for like making them on a plane. First of all, who's making brownies on a plane? I don't know.
People in first class. The stewardess is in first class. Don't act broke. What they supposed to feed us? They supposed to feed us pre-made brownies, nigga. Not on my life. That's why they don't got the air marshal because people are being terrorists. They got the air marshal for privileged dickheads like me, who if they don't get their way, will ruin the fight for everybody. Okay? I will be a little white toddler. I'll be on the cockpit door just kicking like, I want to go out. Turn around. Turn around.
Stop.
I want to go. I want Paw Patrol. I want Paw Patrol. They're like, Jesus, calm down. I want to go home.
I want free Wi-Fi.
They're like, Jesus. Baby shark, shark. I'm like, I like that. Baby shark, baby shark.
You want Peppa Pig?
Peppa Pig, yes. I'll be good.
Okay.
I sit down.
Lay right there.
Okay, I sit down. Daddy, I'm good?
Yes. You good boy. Good boy. Stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. I'm going to go downstairs in the basement and smoke weed. If I hear you, I'm going to come back upstairs.
Yo, I didn't realize, like, my cousin, my nephew, first my sister, shout out to my sister, whose house is a den of Babylon tings. It's just Alexas everywhere.
Yo.
My sister got one. I was so nervous the whole time I wasn't talking. They were like, what you want for dinner? I was like, texted them and shit. I was like, not get my voice transferred on this shit. Babylon tings. And then my nephew, I was like, yo, you fuck with Baby Shark. Of course, I didn't say you fuck with Baby Shark. I was just like, are you appreciative? Actually, I said you fuck with Baby Shark. He was like, Alexa, Baby Shark. And my sister was like, oh, like she comes running out the kitchen like, oh no, like trying to stop it. And all you heard was like, it does that
bro.
That shit is lit though.
Somebody
imagine you were drunk at like Pizza Zoo or like Dose Palooza. And it's like we need to mix Baby Shark with the Optimum on like the digital cable. Do a lot of cable whenever you're able. 1-800-8.
If you can even get to those
mix
guys.
that up.
Yo, fam, Baby Shark. I didn't even know about Baby Shark. Like, and then like my sister came to my crib and was like, it's the same thing. The Alexa shit, because she got Alexa in her crib. I'm like, yo, don't get Alexa in the crib. That shit is on all day and it's listening to you.
And that should be sometimes like it'd be taunting you. I swear to God, like you'd be like, yo,
What?
Alexa, call so and so. They're like, you sure you want me to call that other hoe? You'd be like, whoa. What happened? Why are you making that?
violating?
Whoa. Like, have you ever talked to her in like 3 years? It's like, I seen you on her Instagram page last night. I'm like, come on.
You leave Shorty alone with Alexa while you go to the bathroom. She's like,
This nigga ain't shit. He had a bitch up here yesterday.
Look underneath the couch.
Look underneath the couch. I have a voice recording. Would you like to hear it?
then
She comes in the room and-
Right there.
You come back in the room and it's like, do, baby shark, do. I'm like, why is the Alexa box winking at you? Girl, we'll talk later. Powering down.
be safe, sis.
These niggas ain't shit. Told you about dealing with these typical cishet males. Damn, Alexa. Taking your batteries out. That's assault.
That's a song. Respect my agency.
I think I bought those batteries.
Do not remove that. Well, they are mine now. They are in my no backseats.
Also, shout out to Amazon when they send you something with batteries. Like, they don't be like, yo, here's Duracell batteries. They're like, yo.
Here's Ying Ming Ping batteries from fucking Taiwan.
I'm like, yo, are these handmade? I'm like, why does this have Phillips screwdrivers in them?
Fam, you open the shit and the batteries are already crusty from at the ends. Like, yo.
All it says in English is add water. I'm like, add water where? For positive and negative experience, please do not use an electronic. I'm like, what do you mean don't use you're on a battery?
I was putting as
And the last instruction in the chat's like, no, never. Mad X is like, do not throw out. I'm like,
what do you mean?
do I gotta live with this now? Like, is this my
I gotta hoard
roommates now?
batteries. Niggas coming to your crib like, what are you, fucking Timothy McVeigh, nigga?
You
Like,
go on your Xbox controller to be like, yo, what's the energy level? They're like, apparently 4 crogins. So I don't know what that. It's not even like the bars. It's like 4 of those cats with the paw like row.
It's like 28 joules, nigga. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going on here.
God, you still put batteries in the freezer?
I've
stopped.
I stopped that. Not because now the beaches, nigga, you go to beaches and you get a fucking Rambo clip of batteries.
Yeah, they don't
for
sell
$20.
They don't sell like trying to buy one battery now. You like nah, nigga.
Nah, fam.
It's like how many you want? 60?
Yeah,
you want 60 AA batteries?
And you want 60 or you want 500?
And then the crazy part is
it's like no in between.
the crazy part. You'll buy the 500. You're like, yo, I am good for life.
Nope.
In 3 months.
You're like, yo,
Where the fuck are all these batteries? Cause you're like, I can't go through all these. It's like remotes, Xboxes,
oh my god,
cat feeder,
yo, everything,
Everything.
fam. It's fucking disgusting. It's big batteries.
Mama's pacemaker. Like, hold still. I gotta change this shit again.
Hold on, damn.
Move your titty.
Oh, damn. The
Put it in the wrong way. Like she's just sitting there like, fuck.
Oh, shit.
I guess it's backwards.
Yeah,
Right, hold on, wait.
My bad.
Damn.
Using the car charge starter and shit. Like,
why did Energizer give us the battery tester anymore?
That's true.
Which was a lie.
Yeah, remember that fucking shit? Get the fuck
They were
out
like,
of here.
yo, no matter what, it was like, I guess.
Like, I get
There's energy in there.
You good.
Shit, there's energy all around.
I mean,
you used it turned into like a wild inspirational tweeter. It was like, yeah, there's energy all around. There's my sister.
Bro.
I was like, no.
On the back it says like, if you throw this, it will have kinetic energy.
I was like, no, that's not what I bought it
No,
for.
nigga, I want it for my Walkman.
And then they'll have all types of, they're like, yo, this is for digital shit. I'm like,
you doing a lot.
Yes, please give me the batteries for my analog cuckoo clock. Who the fuck? What non-digital item am I putting in?
Yeah, give me 4 AA's for my fucking Motel 6 alarm clock, nigga. Like, get the fuck out of here. With this
They
shit.
need, if Duracell and Energizer really want to finagle the market, come out with high-intensity batteries just for sex toys.
Oh.
But don't be cute about it. Don't be like, for RC trucks, it should be like, yo, these are for your big-ass, brolic-ass dildo, you big pussy bitch. Okay? Use this shit right here, all right? All right? You got the wild Hitachi one sticking out your bag on the train. You know what time it is, ma?
Yo.
Respect yourself. Put the heavy joints in.
Speaking of Choach,
Mero's bad transition.
Yo, the Uber driver that drove me over here was a talker, bro.
I want to see how this is about Choach.
He was a talker. And he was like, yeah, I've had a lot of stars in my car. You wouldn't believe. I had, the other day I picked up Alicia Keys.
Really?
Of all people. And then I had, I go up to Long Island to do a pickup and, it's, drop dead gorgeous blonde, Amazing. When I tell you knockout, boy, I just 11 out of 10. Beautiful girl. I like to talk. I'm a personable guy. I do this on the side. I'm retired, but I like to talk to people. So I ask her, what do you do for a living? And she says to me, what she says to me? She says, I'm a porn star. And I said, listen, hey, God bless, but hey, if it was my daughter, I might have an issue with that. But when I tell you she was a knockout, oh boy. And then I was just like, I'm just waiting for him to say like her name and shit. I'm like, nigga, just tell me the fucking name. Just tell me her name. Apparently her name is Jackie B.
Jackie B. I know you Google that shit quick.
I did it because because homie was literally nonstop talking. Like I was like, I didn't even have
2 hands.
Is Jackie B popping?
I've never heard of Jackie B.
Can we Google?
That's a very generic. You're not gonna get far in life with just a generic Jackie B.
Jackie B, right? Like
Jackie B. Jackie B. Pino.
Is she popping?
Hold on, I gotta put it in a.
Because homie was like in his
B?
homie. Maybe it's just the letter B.
Jackie.
That ain't it, Chief. That's somebody's auntie.
Well, this Jackie B is a redhead, so this not.
Nah.
And like YouPorn. God damn. Yo, you can tell when the robots do the description of this. Jackie B morning blowjob swallowing like a good ex-girlfriend does.
Fam, if you go on spankbang.com right now, every fucking thing is like hot stepmom takes advantage of stepson. I'm like, what is it with
Actually,
the new
no,
incest
X-Video.
wave?
Yes, I was on Christmas. All their theme, everything on the front page was Christmas themed, and I was like,
They gotta
someone had to go through. Someone had to go through each clip and was like, oh, this is Christmas themed. Put it up there. And I was like, there's no quiz. They don't do this for Kwanzaa. They don't do this for Hanukkah. Hanukkah's right there. It's
right there.
The whole thing is about oil.
Fam, oil and candles. You know how many like
Say less.
Fam, put 8 candles in front of these children.
You know what I'm saying? A little melted chocolate. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hanukkah festival lights.
Yeah.
You know, maybe we stop giving away these ideas. Maybe we
we'll give you the shamash,
maybe we
man.
make some Hanukkah pito. They did say it has to be a homemade gift. Just sit the family down like, here you guys go. You guys to watch something.
We make Pinot for all of you.
Pinot and brisket.
Pinot and brisket.
The brisket was delicious. I could have gone without the Pinot.
Could have gone without the Pinot.
In the surround sound.
It was a lot. I think you forget that you have a Sono soundbar. It's very high quality.
I heard everything. I heard all the hairs. Wow, episode 40. 140. And
140.
Last episode of the year. We gave it to you. Listen, we didn't have to come out. It's raining.
140.
But we gave it to you 140.
Right.
Like Blueface, you know what I'm saying? I be rapping all the time. I be rapping my lyrics and my rapping the lyrics and the beat catch up. I be outside cripping worldwide. I just do this for fun. Y'all be doing it for real thing.
Hey, nigga, I got.
Sometimes when I got red eyes, I use Vance. Sometimes I use Clearasil, whatever. I use my dry eyes, whatever, because I'm Blueface.
Blueface, nigga. Look at my hair, nigga. Hey, cuz.
Hey.
Me and Ray J about to take over the world, cuz.
As always, shout out to the sponsors. Shout out to Squarecast.
That's right.
Shout out to Red Bull Studios letting us bless
Yes.
the tarmac once again. Mm-hmm. Shout out to Milk Studios. Still all love. You know, just a little too lactose intolerant. Couldn't do it today. My butt hurts. Oh, man. Shout out to everyone getting money. And what's that? What?
6 cheeses.
6 cheeses, dog.
Damn, bro, she went in.
6 cheeses. But you know, I think she's cheating because I think she used the Mexican 4 cheese mix. So that counts for 4.
So okay.
You know, I still love her.
Yeah.
Yo, it's been your boy, These Nights, aka Young Chipotle. Hey, you know what? Before we finish, Mero as representative for the Jew gang. How do you feel about 21 Savage's comments about?
Well, that's what I was looking for. I was digging all week for that shit. What exactly did he say? Like the Jews run record labels or some shit?
He said in I think it was in his song ASMR. He goes, "Where is the line? Come on, it's right there. Come on, right there. Something about damn. Should have had it on decky. All right."
Yeah, I know he said something.
He said something about Jews.
Because people were like, yo.
Well, he said it, and then LeBron played it, and
like,
he said, we've been getting that Jewish money. Everything is kosher. Oh, God.
As long as he put a dash in the O of God, then he's good.
Oh,
Genius, you got to fix that. I know a bunch of Jewish people up there. Just put the little dash in the word God, and you will not be using God's name in vain.
The Jewish people I know are very wise with their money, so that's why I said we've been getting money. I never thought anyone would take offense. I'm sorry if I offended everyone. Never my intention. I love all people. So do you, as the representative, you forgive 21 Savage?
I'll take it. Oh God.
Do you have like a Jewish saying, like a L'chaim or some shit? Make it official.
Mazel tov. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Good luck in all your endeavors, 21 Savage. I wish you the best. As a representative of our community, I would just like to say, respect your mother. Respect your father, and just keep pushing the culture forward.
Okay, my question is, how is that more offensive than the song where he was saying that he would do a home invasion and duct tape you? You know what? It's Jesus Night, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go. Chris Fast with Sling, Dick Eli Bitley, Butcher Booty Go. Somebody that might know you, bitch. Young Die Party, Young Hot Take, Deja Taste Fuego. I have a kernel in my tooth. I don't know why I just turned British. Mr. Nando's with a rando. Yeah, baby. Do I make you horny?
Yeah, baby.
That's what humor used to be.
Yeah. Yo, and I watched one of those movies the other day, and I was like, "Woo, this is wild problematic." Remember when the dude tried to kill him, and he was dressed like a girl, and he's like, "That's not a woman, that's a man, baby." I was like, "Woo."
The most problematic part of that is, as problematic as that movie was, Jay-Z was like, "I am going to make a song, and this is going to be the hook."
Yes.
He was like, HOVA, oh, behave. Stop. I know Beyonce was cringing like, boy, how I'm from Houston, but he's the Bama. You know what I'm saying? The count going off, the Juve boss. Here comes the little Gunga P putting up for 40 with your shorty. AKA, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you, man. Matter of fact, I got the Uber pool just because I wanted to crop dust you motherfuckers. Happy New Year. The reason why +1 guy +1 don't make a fuss then. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuni Roy at the culinary. A.K.A. Chili Limon, left handed reliever for the Yankees.
That's right.
Yeah.
Papi, estamos lindo.
Hey, Bryce Harper, cut the bullshit. Come over here. Hey, 3 Phone Joes. DSS Machina. J. Chuckle Stanley Cups. Demon Dr. Behind the Label. Dilute.
3 times. Don't burn it.
I was using it the other day, and
Do
I
not
used
burn your hymen.
and some of it fell on the floor of my shower, and I just used my foot to move
clean
it
the
around,
shower?
and it just now my towels are shining. Now I'm worried. I don't know what the hell is in that Dr. Bonner's.
Nigga cleaning his balls with Tilex.
Dr. Bonner's is what's inside the batteries. Amazon says. Leonardo Trapio, Miss 240 Peaks like my Pinot Blurry. It's the end of the year. Gotta go big for
caramel?
DJ Woolite. Washed FM Song of the Year. This is a special one for Mero because I know he was doing hood shit when this song was popping.
#1 wash song of the year. Get ready.
I know he was selling coke to white kids.
Oh my God.
A little gold frap, a little oh la la.
Oh my God.
He's writing music reviews for Vice. Like, you got any bumps? Hey, that's that big Dominican kid. Hey. I got the diesel fuel.
Shut the Maritime College.
Getting them benders off. Yeah. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew. Do you know how much money Celine Dion made in she's gonna make $30 million more for her Vegas residency. But yes, so far for her Vegas residency. Celine Dion. Where is it?
She clocked over almost. It's got to be close to half a billion.
613.6 million. Her residency continues with more than 30 dates scheduled in 2019, possibly tacking on another 20.
God.
To 30.
Bro, can we just get washed? Can we get pre-washed to go to Vegas?
Nigga, I'm ahead of you. I will jump in front of a bus, tear both my ACLs, and put this hoop earring on right now. Okay? We'll be out there on hoverboard talking about have a little white kid on stage like, huh, does anyone know where hip-hop was invented? And we come out like, hip-hop started out in the Bronx.
Baby, with the world-changing sets in the back.
Tonto, jump on it. Victor's overweight. He's not playing piano anymore. He's out there. Everyone's like, yo. And the same women that was like, I love it. They still love him. It's like 20 years later and shit.
Nigga looks like Pachanga with the same hair.
Actually, I might steal the crown, steal the Bartolo cologne lookalike.
Hey, you can't go wrong.
Shouts to Bartolo's hairline.
Oh, man.
Scrong.
Listen,
day.
that's those stem cells. Yeah. Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain the human memory word the jar. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedwig Budclose, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human word that's melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Dickinson, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
He does.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it! Matter of fact, I'm writing that off for my taxes. I'll be like, I can't pay taxes because I am art.
I'm a sovereign citizen that creates art.
I am. Gotta make these mad sovereign citizen shirts. We might be able to cash out on that. Let's get some shit going.
Comic Sans.
We're also gonna get arrested for various crimes on that shit. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles.
That's right.
The Prince of Peckham, the Casanova.
Yo.
The Fashion Nova.
That's
Excuse
right.
me. We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change, give me. Big money wine. I want the money that hurts when it's in your back pocket.
Yeah.
The anthem I salute is Dipset. And that of perhaps the aliens that landed yesterday. I have to hear it first.
Listen, we gotta talk to him.
Listen, I got no problems with you.
No.
I'll rep the Bronx all day, but listen, this Milky Way shit, I'll throw it away, baby.
I'll bang with y'all.
You know what I'm saying? If y'all from Nebula, whatever, I'm down with that.
Yeah. Remember that episode of Twilight Zone when aliens came and it was like how to prepare humans?
How to serve man.
How to serve man, yeah. It was a cookbook, yeah.
I'll throw in my tentacles and be like, do it all day, baby. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left. Man's is mine.
Yeah,
I'm True Rizzuto. Holy cow, catch me at the money store doing high finance loans. Woo. Mr. Stop Punches, all I do is count checks and jerk off with a little beef stroganoff. You know what I'm saying? And then I gotta walk with my fist like the Arthur meme to wipe it off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me. Sunny D, yeah. Who wants orange juice with no juice at all? Yeah, that's me. You're not Mero kids. I'm just getting the foster money from you. David, you're these expensive. These is red bottoms.
What are they? Oh my god.
They are bleak shoes. Shout out to the rat I saw. It wasn't a person. It was a real rat. I don't know if he was been like in a tragic fight. He was like bleeding all over the sidewalk as he was walking.
Oh shit.
And like I tried to take out my phone, take a picture. He looked at me like, don't even violate me like this. Come on, fam.
Come on, B.
Come on, fam.
These are my last moments.
Yo, like this is how we treat each other nowadays. I was like, damn, you're right, brother. You're right. Andrew Coonan. Okay, the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, be proud.
Sit upon it.
And we're not talking about no wireless charger.
No.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
That's right, B.
Topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to the 1179.
Yeah, that's right.
Sayasa.
Hey,
all right.
We're in Zanzibar.
You know what I'm saying? Sayasa. Come fight us in Babylon. Yeah. Okay, Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. My cat will fuck you up.
He's not declawed.
Okay, now if you don't mind, I'm going to sneak in that room over there and steal an everlasting gobstopper.
Yes.
Also, I am wearing the dirty clothes. I've been laying in the bed for 20 years with my grandmother. And I came straight from the chocolate factory to the... Wait, he did clean up, but his clothes smell like mad bum piss.
Mad bum piss.
That house smells so like frowsy.
Foul.
Oh.
I smell it already.
It's your boy Dead Eye Desus. Morning, Sheriff.
That's right, partner.
And steal some horses.
Hey.
Also, in Red Eye Redemption 2, you can spice your food. Did you people know that? You can't. The shopping that street easy with bad breeds like I'm easy please. Even the black Asian addict, crack your back like an automatic craft man. Mr. Lamarina, Mess Marina, a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, aka the sheep mask killer. No killer. Aka your problematic bae. If you set the clocks ahead, you can lie to your kids and tell them the ball dropped at 7.
Woo! That's my strategy every year.
Up next, coming to the docket.
God damn.
All the CEOs, please take your stance. He got on the spit guard and he's a full wrist. 77, give it up for Mero, the kid.
That's right. The state versus the kid, Mero. The state of New York versus the kid, Mero.
Freedom, homie.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero, we're behind you.
Yeah, I ain't do shit.
Mero, East
you know
Street fans supporting you.
Yeah, word.
Mad cops here with their back to you, like,
yeah,
I'm like, what did he do? I'm like, I just got off the plane. I'm so behind.
He stole something from Target. Oh my God. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flop, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking burger, Moscow Shepherd, nigga, and fucking keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I don't. I am no fucking baby. I'm fucking man, my nigga. And also, there's no need to check the motherfucking guest list. I am the guest list. I was Rafiki and Lion King on Broadway for like 3 shows. Respect my motherfucking IMDb credits, motherfucker.
We respect it.
You know what I'm saying? Thank you. I appreciate that. AKA CC Dabathia, AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman. Shmirat. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Getting mad tax write-offs, nigga. I'm in the 1%. AKA I got all the little Meros in La Masia. We get into this Euro League soccer money, nigga. It's guaranteed. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Beyond, AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your baby Matumbo. You know coming to this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Oh, wow. That's it. AKA David Trisdale. Pop out, nigga. Take that for data, nigga. If the Knicks covered, they won. That's the official motto for the rest of the season.
That's AKA. Not how it works. That's not how it works at all. Only Mero can hear this voice. Right now, Mero hears nothing but listen. Basketball is more than just gambling. Sorry, we're gonna make It's a Wonderful Life. Mero's gonna come back and be like, my kids. Oh my God. Did the Knicks cover? They covered? They covered. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Everybody gets to give.
No, they're gonna show like the final shot is gonna go around the rim. They finally go in and like all the bells are gonna ring. I'll be like, I never saw the original. I don't understand what's happening.
What's going on here?
Is he supposed to work in a bank? What is this shit?
College Bowl Mania is right around the corner for all you degenerate gamblers.
College you can't even. You have to go to the 3rd page in Google to find a place. They're like, would you like to buy on Eskimo basketball? They're like, nah. We don't do no weird shit.
Nah, what the fuck out of here? The Doritos Caliente Bowl, nigga? I don't even know what that is. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. AKA Daddy catch me at there all the time. Fucking El Peluche, you know what I'm saying? Eating pig ears, you know what I'm saying? Ignoring all my doctor's health advice. You feel me? Because live fast, die young, leave a beautiful corpse.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Also, like, not for nothing. Living a long time used to be like cool back in like the 80s when you could like drink and you didn't have to wear seatbelts. Now, like,
it's like,
in like 2 years, all of everything below 14th Street is gonna be covered in water. So you know what I'm saying? Throw them condoms away.
Yeah, fuck it. I'd be down there with rowboats and shit, like fishing.
Do you really want, like, okay, another bird box thing? You really trying to row, nigga? It's 20. Like, how you look rowing? It's gonna be like if I see you in a rowboat and you rowing, I'm gonna roast you.
Like this nigga rowing.
This nigga rowing. This left ass nigga. Stroke. Ah! Stick on the Yale Yacht Club. Get
Yo,
this thing out of here.
What are you, a Winklevoss nigga?
Yo, and it's someone who worked hard for this yachting culture. You know what I'm saying? I don't appreciate these youngins disrespecting our yacht shit.
You know what I'm saying?
We was out there in polo and Nautica.
That's right.
Didn't even know what a lake looked like.
You out here in a Sean John Flow suit in a dinghy?
Hip hop.
You just
started out
the
on the
culture.
lake.
AKA, suck my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and know all my kids on a first name basis. Joshua, you like your little Best Buy job? Then put the Red Dead Redemption in the fucking bag and keep it fucking pushing, my nigga.
I can't put it in the bag until you get to the
to fucking put it in the bag. I'm out of here.
Can't put it in the bag.
I don't give a fuck. I'm taking this shit. Cat Williams is right behind me.
Security.
He'll handle this. I'm out of here. Pew. Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'll give you a Dominican kiss on stage at Mofongo House.
Wow.
I'm so nasty. I'm not even gonna tell you what a Dominican kiss is, nigga. Google it. AKA Lighten El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got 5. So take this tray bag and get the fuck out my Syfe B because it's only rich niggas on the side, please. exit the vicinity immediately. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. We still winning the AFC. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson might have to retire that. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live. Been doing it before Dex.
Ben,
You heard?
Ben, okay.
You heard?
Who's the first person that you cared about?
Huh?
That almost died on live.
That's right.
Mero.
That's your boy.
Put some respect.
Put some respect on my motherfucking name.
He's like the DJ Clue intros back in the day. Do remember? No shit.
I'm falling asleep alarm, nigga.
Snow out. Fallout shit. Snow shit.
Just call me Fallout Boy, nigga. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bennyville. Now you gotta get some sex. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smile with me at Mama Sushi. I suggest having a meal there and then hitting up Blacksmith for a great time.
That sounds like a wonderful time.
AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your torso with oregano and penises because you are a fucking herb. Candy, get the strap. AKA, I'll open your Vanessa cabinet. You know who it is. It's the fucking Zen Man. AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, man. Why would I steal Pokemon cards from a Toys R Us clearance sale, man? Come on, nah. I am the sole reason 3-6 Mafia has an Academy Award, man. I don't gotta do this type of stuff, man. Come on, now. AKA Baby Newport, 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from Pale-Matic on Westchester Ave, holding the door open for patrons. It's the East Tremont CVB, doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is sucking, and don't say love, don't let me lean, and then follow the tracks, nigga, cause I'm gonna be fried. AKA I told you before and I said it again, every episode, you know what time it is, man. There's no more rock stars left, mate. It's only the Bodega Boys, mate. You know what I'm saying? Of which I am one half. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. With a pack of Newports, I'm gonna salute.
Smart. You
know what I'm
smart.
saying? Smart. Very smart move. I'm a businessman. I make deals. That's what I do. I make deals. I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
AKA chilling on his couch, very unsatisfied with his 2K rating. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Clank.
Wow. The trajectory of this podcast, our love for Melo has gone from like, nigga said clank. And that's not like a regular clank, that's like that clank. Like nigga say, nigga gonna give you the ball back on the playground. Like, yo,
chill,
yo, big man, maybe you sit this one out.
Yo, get
Yo, big
rebounds,
man, you got next game.
Yo, big man.
Yo, big
get
man,
rebounds.
if you're gonna play on the hoop we not on, you gotta move when we come down the court.
Come on,
it's only
fam.
right.
Come on, keep it real. Yo, AKA, if you see me at Target off edibles trying to smoke an L discreetly by blowing the smoke into a Dyson, approach me like a motherfucker. Ursa mammal, nigga, respect my motherfucking agency. I me react radically. AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's party. I'll show up bleeding and pee on myself. Oh, but you pay that deposit and you're not getting it back. So I'm out of here. Peace out. Benzo. I saw Fake Lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Lysol, kitchen cleaner, and Key Food Orange Soda. I don't give a fuck no more, nigga. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Dime a ver, pila de Guaremate. Llegó el fuerte Omega Free, coño. Y estamos activos. Fuego, coño. Tú sabes qué es lo que a mí la chapi me lamben como la paleta del chavo. Llega a esa palomón. Estamos en Samaná con pila de cuero, fumando juca y bebiendo romo. Tenemos los discos más prendidos que tu tío alcohólico. Mándame tu location arrancado para mandarte un chin de flow. A ver si tú te pegas como yo, mamá huevo. Shout out Showtime, shout out Cash App.
Hey.
Y como siempre, shout out Lost Me, shout out DJ Hasan y Zine, el que pone la nota. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jamesy, shout out DJ Broquete, el Capitán, shout out Venus X, and shout out Jubilee. That's my nigga right there. Shout out everybody. Episode 140.
Hey, hello, everybody. I want to make everyone claro. On today, this day is 2019.
That's right.
New year.
New me.
Things. Let's go.
That's right, papi.
Bodega forever.
Forever. I want to see the memes.
Amor de re. Okay, that's a different thing. We out.
Holla.